Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to off-campus hiring in which month every year for the freshers batches. This is the part 2 video. As you can see that there is very good response from all of you on the part 1 video, and so many candidates DM me on Instagram that please make the second part video for the other top service based MNC. So in this video we discuss about the 6 top MNCs like HCL Technology, Deloitte, Mphasis, Wipro, Larsen and Turbo Group, Mindtree, and this video is very important for 22, 23, 24 batch. So let's start the video. Okay. So the first MNC is HCL Technology. So the month for hiring is October to November. Package is 3 LPA and this will be vary every year. And they will be generally hire for the role of software engineer or for the other role, because package and role are vary every year according to their recruitment process. Okay. So if we see the HCL recruitment process for the freshers on the FacePrep website. So as you can see that HCL, this is the on-campus recruitment process. Like first is a HCL recruitment test, aptitude test, GD, technical interview, HR interview. But if I talk about the off-campus recruitment, okay, so if I check the previous trend for the off-campus recruitment, so it will be vary by year, okay. So in the 2018th year, so the role for the is a software engineer, qualification is BTech and salary offered is 3 lakh per annum. Venue date is 24 and 25th October. So what are the some HCL selection process? Like there is a online aptitude test, technical interview and HR interview, and most commonly it will be same for all off campus drive, but it will be the role and the package is vary according to every year according to them. Okay. So the second MNC is Deloitte, and they will be hire for so many role as we know that, but Deloitte is a very good service based company, top service based company, and the month is September to October or next month. The package is very in between 6 to 10 LPA, 5.5 LPA, 30k stipend for the internship role. They will be offer like software engineer, quality engineer intern and the analyst role. Okay, so this is the Deloitte recruitment process, off-campus recruitment process for the freshers. As you can see that they will be hired for the two role like software engineer and quality engineer intern. This is the eligibility criteria as the previous batch for as the same as the previous batch. And first there is a off-campus means online written test in which there are 4 sections like general aptitude, logical, probability, statistics and verbal. After that, group discussion, technical HR interview, and some off-campus important documents that you want to attend the interview process. What Deloitte to are requested to bring, like your 10th, 12th standard and graduation academic certificate, updated resume, photograph, ID graph for the software engineer and for quality engineer. Okay, for quality engineer intern, the package is 30k stipend. For software engineer, 6 to 10 LPA is the package. Okay. If I talk about the for the role of analyst, okay, Deloitte off campus drive for the role of analyst. So the CTC is according to Glassdoor website that 5.5 LPA or more. Okay, so they will be generally hired to, if you have a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or equivalent experience, you can apply for this opportunity. They are generally hired for the 3 roles like software engineer, quality engineer intern and analyst. Third company is the Wipro. Wipro conducted the off-campus drive in 2 phases like Wipro Elite NTH for BE, BTech, ME, MTech graduates, and Wipro Work Integrated Learning Program for BC and BSc candidates. So the third company is Wipro. Okay, so as we know all about the recruitment process for the Wipro Elite NTH, and the month is September to October for the hiring. Packages is 3.5 LPA, 6.5 LPA. Wipro Elite package is 3.5 LPA, 6.5 LPA is Wipro Turbo package, and 23k stipend for the work integrated learning platform, work integrated learning program plus MTech from Premier Institutes. Okay, so this is the complete recruitment process for the Wipro. And you can see the full recruitment process and the off-campus recruitment process on the FacePrep website. There is an online test, technical interview, HR interview, what are the some sections, and Wipro NLTH exam pattern and Wipro NLTH syllabus, as I discussed in the so many videos, and I am attaching all the links in the description. You can check one of all the links, and in the previous video I am attaching all the links. Okay, so these are very helpful for all of you. So the next is work integrated learning platform, work integrated learning program for the BCA and BSc students, and the eligibility criteria, as you can see on my screen, that if you have completed your BCA, Bachelor of Science, eligible stream like computer science, information technology, mathematics, electronics and physics. So what are the stipends that they offer for that? So this is for the BCA and BSc candidates. Before moving on to fourth company like Mphasis, Larsen and Turbo and Mindtree, there is a very good platform and you can get your dream job in the 15 days, and if you score 700 plus, so to your profile and get hired by India's finest company. There are 3 type of tests on the re-level platform like business development, front end and back end development. Okay, in this platform your degree is not matter, your skills are matter. If you are from 18 to 25 years, so you can apply for this opportunities, and there are 3 type of tests you can choose according to your them. Like first is business development test, package is also good. Like for the business development test, the package is 10 LP and 500 spots at India's finest company, Urban Pro, Razorpay, CRAD, MH. So many MNCs are there. For the front end development test, the package is 15 LP and there are so many MNCs. You will get your re-level scorecard, and you can apply for interview and get hired by India's finest company and work with India's finest company. You can complete all round in a single day. There is no other day for the specific round, and you can get your dream job in 15 days. So there is a link in the description. You can check the platform. This is the very good. Tests are ongoing, interview are ongoing. So check this platform. This is very good platform. So the fourth MNC for that is the Mphasis, and they are not generally hire for the some time, but they are generally hired through MCAT for the role of associate software engineer. I checked the previous trend on the some website. So Mphasis off campus drive for 2018 batch, like Mphasis off campus drive happens frequently. They will generally recruits through via MCAT, and details of MCAT Mphasis off campus drive, as you can see that they will hire for the role of associate software engineer, and the eligible batches is 2018, and they are generally hire for some other role, but the package is 1.8 to 3 LPA. And if there is a direct opportunity for all of you from Mphasis, so you can try and go to that. Okay, so the next MNC is L&T and Infotech, and the month is last Sem July. Means if you are from 2022 batch, okay, and if you are in current Sem, so in your next Sem, like your degree is completed or some degree is ongoing, last Sem is there. So the L&T and Infotech visit this time, and the package is 3.5 LPA. Role is graduate engineer trainee, off campus recruitment, but in on campus it will be very like 5, 6.5 LPA, 8 LPA, and vary every year. Okay, so for the L&T and recruitment process for the freshers batches, so this is the off campus recruitment process. Like for the role of graduate engineer trainee, and salary is 3.5 LPA. These are the some location. What are the selection process? One coding question, second is personal interview, and final offer. This is the recruitment process for the on campus candidate, and they will be hired for 5 LPA, 6.5 LPA and 8 LPA for specialized engineering hiring. Okay, so this is the Mindtree. This is the complete recruitment process for the L&T, and the last MNC is Mindtree, and it is also a Larsen and Turbo company. So generally they will be hired in the month of October or in the some next month, and they will be hire BC and BSc candidates for the role of age program, like through the age program. For the BE and BTech candidate on campus opportunity, they are a different opportunity, but they will be hired through BC and BSc candidates through the age program. And you can see the complete process on the Mindtree website, like they will be hired for BC and BSc freshers on on their official website through the age program, and you can see that what are the stipends that they in given. And if you just see the Mindtree notification for BE and BTech candidates, like they need degree from you. Okay, so if you are just apply through Mindtree, so you can check on the official careers website, and there is some opportunities. Like this is for the Mindtree campus hiring role. So what are the some benefits and they are some offering. So this is the complete list that I add in today's video. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you want part 3 for some of the MNCs, for remaining MNC, you can DM me on Instagram and comment in the comment section. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.